Welcome back to Brown and Confident. My name is Rachel, and today we are doing a Torrid shoe haul. Before we get into the video, thank you so much for 1K. We hit 1K yesterday. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new posts. If you're new here, I do lifestyle content along with fashion and hair. So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you feel like joining the fam. Go ahead and check out Torrid's website to see everything that they have. They have so many colors and style of shoes that you're going to fall in love. Their fall collection of boots have been just kiss. So you will get a part 2 of this shoe haul. So let's go ahead and get into part 1. Here's the first pair, and we're starting off with the Embellished white flip-flop, and I got this in a size 12. This shoe is so pretty, and I wanted this shoe for my photo shoot when I'm changing clothes, or just to meet up to the photo shoot. Wanted something fashionable for my feet. So I end up picking these up. So this is from their extra wide collection. It gives you so much room, y'all. One thing about Torrid is the sizing. I'm normally a size 13, and I can size down to a 12 in Torrid because their shoes run very true to size and a little big, a little wide. So make sure you go inside the store to try on a pair. Give it up for the embellished rhinestones on this shoe. Like, oh my God. Never seen a shoe like this, so we had to snag that. We also had to get that in black. Like, of course. Who buys one shoe and likes it and not get another? So we went ahead and snagged this in black, and it's just so gorgeous. Y'all tell me down below what you think. And I just thought they were perfect for going to get your feet done, just walking in, period, because that cushion, y'all, perfect for the knees, perfect for the back, and still looking fashionable. It's a win-win, okay? Next, I have these 10 embellished flops. Got these in a 12 also. They have a different style than the other two that I just had. They have the extra strap around, and straps are a lot thinner. They still have the extra cushion in them. However, it's not as much cushion as I feel like the other two just had. But these are still cute. I have worn these so many times, and they have gotten me through a cute outfit. I would definitely suggest these. These are a 10 out of 10. If you need something to throw on with a good sundress or a short set, these are gonna have you, okay? This is gonna have your back right here. Okay, so next we have the shoes that I have on. So let me take those off. We have the soft, wide, not sandal, okay? And like the other ones, they have the double cushion, they are wide, and they have the flat heel, okay? I love this shoe because the studs around the shoe are just so gorgeous, and that knot just gives you a hint of fashion drop just on the shoe to where it makes everybody look down at your feet. Love that for us. Torrid really came out with something good when they put the extra cushion in the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna be able to say that enough, because we need that. As plus size women, we need that. So I would recommend trying at least one pair of their flip-flops. It'll change your life. This shoe is the perfect nude tan color, and it goes with everything. I have been wearing this shoe nonstop every day. I would highly recommend this shoe. It's a little wide for me to wear on vacation or on long walks and things like that, but definitely in and out the house, run to Target. These are perfect for me. These shoes have saved my life for the past few months. I have been wearing these on my recent photo shoots that I've been having. The clear heel, it's just bad in a photo shoot, okay? But the strappy look is in now, and it goes around the ankle. I love these shoes. And this does give you a good amount of cushion. So I was comfortable in these. My feet did not hurt. The heel is a 3.5, so very good for my women over 30, because We about done with the 6 inches. I know I am, okay? It has an adjustable ankle strap. Just give it up for the strappy look. Can we just give it up that the plus size, big ankle, big feet community has something to look fashionable in? Like, Torrid, you definitely did that. 10 out of 10 recommend. The next shoe is my clear sandals that you probably have been seeing in every picture because I love these sandals, especially when I go do dressing room hauls. Like, these are my go-to. I absolutely love these. It's nothing like having a clear sandal that's comfortable. If you know what I mean, these are it, right? Sorry that they're kind of dirty, but I wear them all the time. I ended up adding some shoe inserts into these because I got these in a size 12, but they're like super wide and they fit like a 13 and a half. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. However, I did get these shoe inserts from Amazon and they saved my life because these shoes are more comfortable than ever. Elastic here on the band to where it lets you stretch it out. You got big feet, girl, this is for you. They made this for you. This heel is a 2, so made for walking. These shoes are literally made for walking. They have the extra cushion in them and they're just perfect for the summer, spring, and the transition into fall. 10 out of 10. Love this shoe. Okay, we have these black low platform shoes and I thought they were so cute. Look at them, y'all. I cannot wait. Okay, I got these in a size 12. They also have the extra cushion in them and I just love that they're strappy. Like, come on, so cute. We are going to big step in these. Make sure you are shopping the sale, okay? If I cannot stress that to you enough, Torrid has a lot of sales. Make sure you're shopping them, okay? They also have these in tan, which I would love to get. These have the extra cushion around the feet and the flat sole on them. I just feel like these are gonna be so comfortable. I was wearing these around the house and just blown away. Torrid, thank you so much for creating shoes, clothes, and everything in between for us. We really appreciate you. Make sure y'all go check out Torrid. I will leave their website and information below. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Our next goal is 2,000 subscribers. We're gonna go ahead and hit big because I know we're gonna get there. Drop down below and tell me what all you want to see from your girl, and I'll catch you back here in the next video. You have a good week and a good day. See you back here next time. Bye.